Hello, everyone. Today, we will walk you through the process of creating a card view to display your data effectively. First, you will search for the screen configuration in the menu. Once found, you will select the window where you want to create your card view. For example, you can select Product Master. Now you will choose the tab, then click on the Set Card View button. This will open a selection of different card view templates. There are two ways to create a card view. The first and easiest way is by using the pre-designed templates. There are many templates. You will select a template that best fits your needs. For example, you will select one and then click on the Next button. Once the layout is loaded, you can simply drag and drop items into the designated areas. For example, you can search image item and drop it here. Next, you will drag in the search key, the UOM, the product type, and the name. Now, to hide the star in the image, you will use the eye icon. Then, you will select this whole cell and set the cell direction as column. Once all the items are placed in their respective positions, you will give this card view a proper name. For example, you will name it Product Master. Then click on the Save and Apply button. Now, to view this card view, you will first change your role to Vision Enterprises Admin. The organization is also Vision Enterprises. You will then click on Change. Now you will reset the cache. You will search for the window Product Master. After that, you will go to the tab. You will now click on the card view icon. Here, you can see the Product Master card view. You will just click on it. The card view will appear like this. This is a quick and easy way to design a card view. The second way to create a card view is to start from scratch with a blank one. For this, you will again change your role to System Administrator. Now you will search for the screen configuration. The window is Product Master, and the tab is Product. Again, you will click on Set Card View. You will click on Card View and select the blank template. Then you will click on the Next button. Here you can specify the number of rows and columns you need. If you need to merge rows, you just select them and click on the Merge icon. Now, you will add the items to this card view layout by using the drag and drop process again. For example, you will select Name and drop it here, then Search Key, then UOM, and after that, Type. Again, you will hide the stars. Once your structure is in place, you can customize the card view further by applying various CSS properties under the Custom section. You just click on it, then you select the cell. For example, you will apply the color property and set the color as blue. Now you can see for this particular item, the font color is set as blue. Now you will change the cell direction to column, and you will make the labels bold. With the help of this style, you can change the layout, the border color, and the text alignment. You can also apply style logic to enhance your design. Now, once your card view is designed, just give it a proper name, like Product, and click on the Save button. Now you will click to go back to card view to access additional functionality. You can now group the card view by selecting the Group By option. This works with LOV fields only. For example, you will select Product Type. You can drag and drop these LOV values to adjust the sequence. For example, you can set Service at the top and Expense Type at the bottom. If you do not need the inactive online LOV, then you will untick it. You can also apply sorting, either ascending or descending. Additionally, you can use conditional formatting to add a background color based on specific LOV values. This will help you to differentiate records visually. For example, you can select Product Type as Expense Type and Color as light blue. Then you will click Add. Then you will select Product Type as Item and Color as light green. After that, you will select Product Type as Resource, and the color is light yellow. Then you will select Product Type as Service. Now you will click on the Save and Apply button. To view this card view again, you will change your role to Vision Enterprises Admin. Then click on Change. Now you will search for the window Product Master. You will reset the cache first. Now after that, you will go to the tab, then click on the card view icon. You can see your product card view, just click on it. This will appear like this. You have successfully created a card view. We have covered how to create a blank card view or use templates, how to customize with CSS, how to group and sort the data, and how to apply conditional formatting. That concludes this session. Thank you for attending.